Senior Pakistani journalist that we all know of, Hamid Mir, has been shot in Karachi. We know him as a Geo News senior anchor person. He was injured in a firing incident in Karachi. That's what the Geo News is reporting. According to reports, unknown armed men ambushed Mir's vehicle at the Natha Khan Bridge. He received bullet injuries and was shifted to a private hospital. Well, his condition seems to be critical. Let's just cut across to Geo News as we speak.
इसने ये पूरा वाकया देखा या रोकने की कोशिश की हो, ये कैसे मुमकिन है?
हाँ देखिए, ये यकीनन एक दफा फिर सिक्योरिटी लैब से हमारी यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी का और जिस तरह से हामिद मीर जैसी शख्सियत पर जिस तरह से ये बाकायदा नजर आ रहा है कि उन्हें टारगेट किया गया है, उनके लिए बाकायदा वहाँ पर जो है वो एक शख्स जो है पहले से मौजूद थे मुलजिमान, वो गाड़ी से उतर के खड़ा हुआ था, ना कि ये कि कोई चलती गाड़ी पे फायर किया हो। जब गाड़ी डेड स्लो हुई है उसके ऊपर गाड़ी की पिछली निश्चित के ऊपर जो बाकायदा 3 से 4 फायर किए गए हैं और उसके बाद उसको बाकायदा फॉलो भी किया है। यानी
Senior journalist Raza Laskar also joins us on the phone line. Mr. Laskar, if you could tell us what really happened with Mr. Hamid Mir.
Well, you know, from the information that's been coming in from his colleagues on Twitter and from other sources, what we're hearing is that some armed men who were apparently on a motorcycle shot at his car while he was driving from Karachi airport to his office. He's apparently gone from Islamabad to Karachi for a program that he was supposed to do on Sunday. And this is all we have now. I mean, there are also reports that he was apparently hit by at least 2 bullets and he's been taken to a hospital.
But what could be the possible reason for him being a target, sir?
Well, you know, I mean, Hamid Mir is, it's not a new thing for him to be targeted. In the past, he's been targeted by the security agencies for some of the stories he's done. He's also earned the ire of the militants on a number of occasions. In fact, I think about a year and a half ago, some explosives were found underneath his car in Islamabad. So, I mean, there are a lot of, quarters who would be, perceive him as an enemy. So, it's mainly because of the work he does, the journalism he does.
Would you know of his condition as we speak?
Well, you know, as I said, I mean, I don't have anything confirmed, but Mr. Mir's television channel, Geo News, is reporting that he was hit by bullets. There are other reports that he was struck by at least 2 bullets. But, I mean, as I said, we don't know how many bullets, but we do know that he has been hit by bullets.
All right, Mr. Laskar, we'll try and reconnect with you later when you have more information. We're all hoping that Mr. Mir is safe while he is being operated on at that hospital. We also have Javed Ansari also joining us on the phone line. Javed, what are the details you have? You've recently yourself visited Pakistan and met with Hamid Mir. What are the details do you have on this situation that we're speaking of?
So the only details that we have is what we are seeing on Geo TV, and which is that he's been injured, that he was fired upon in Karachi. This is not the first time that a journalist in Pakistan has been attacked. In the recent past, Mr. Raza Rumi was attacked. Before that, Mr. Imtiaz Alam was attacked. These are kind of, liberal elements who are under...
Javed, do stay with me. I will have to intervene there. I believe Mr. Asif is joining us from Geo News. He's a correspondent with the channel. Mr. Asif, what details do you have of this incident that has taken place where senior Pakistani journalist Hamid Mir has been shot at?
Yes, of course, it's a very strange incident of firing on Hamid Mir. Hamid Mir was traveling to Karachi to Geo office, and we just heard that he is in hospital now. He's being rescued by his own driver in his car. He was traveling from airport to Geo office in Karachi, and on Sharai Faisal, some people actually tried to catch him on the one of the very important place of Sharai Faisal, and when the driver reacted, they opened fire on him, and he also got some bullets in his lower part of body, and now he is in hospital, although he is in stable condition. But this unfortunate incident, and it is the history in Pakistan that almost 51 journalists have been killed during the last couple of years, and some days back another channel's anchor has been targeted by some people outside the office, and now this is the second most important incident during the last couple of weeks. So this is a very unfortunate incident, and we are again getting some information from the hospital side.
All right, Mr. Asif, thank you so much for joining us live from Islamabad.